Now we're gonna go to the next part here to make this one. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna explain it a little bit faster, but it is the same thing. So it looks so complicated, but as I explained, it become more easier. And as you know how to work it. So it's kind of the trickier thing because it has a lot of stitches and how it looks so complicated, but basically it's a very basic stitches. It's chains and double crochet. It's nothing else, but in a very nice order to make this beautiful shape. Okay, so let's go to the next bike. So now we're gonna make the next picot. Remember? It's the same pattern. Gonna make the next picot. So if you feel lost, you just keep looking. Look to the pattern that I'm gonna write on under the video or in the PDF, like the part with the course, or you're gonna keep looking. If you understand, when you keep looking to what you did, you will take like the picture and know what you need to do next. So the first thing I did is the 4 double crochet all together, and then I make the picot. So I have the 4 double crochet all together. So the next thing I need to do is the picot, and then I'm gonna repeat the same thing again. So now I'm gonna make the picot 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip stitch the first one, and we're done. So I'm gonna go to that beautiful space that have everything in it. So I'm gonna go in here and make my 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and again I'm gonna make another picot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip stitch to the first stitch or first chain, and again another 3 double crochet in the same space. So 1, 2, 3, and again another picot. 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip stitch to the first one. Okay, you feel lost? What you need to do? So keep looking. So I have the picot here, which is this one. Have 3 double crochet. Have my picot here. Have my 3 double crochet. So now I am at this little crown. I'm gonna call it crown. So I am this little crown. So I need to make another 2 picot with this one. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and go to the first stitch, slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, to the first chain or stitch, and slip stitch. And again I have my 3 picot. Go to the first one here and just slip stitch to it. Here we go. I have my crown, and now it's time to make double crochet. So I have 1, 2, 3, all in the same place or same space. So I have my crown right here, and again another picot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch to the first stitch, first chain, another 3 double crochet in the same space. So 1, 2, 3, and time for the last picot with this spike. 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip stitch to the first chain, and we finish this second one. It was easier, right? Because we did it here and explained everything in here, so doing this was way easier. And of course, as we go all around, way easier. And now it's time to make my 4 double crochet all together. I'm gonna yarn over and make my first double crochet. Don't complete it. And the next double crochet, don't complete it. And here, 3, 4, not completed. So all together from all 5 loops. So here we go. And again, we're gonna repeat our picot, 4, and go slip stitch here. I guess you get the idea. I'm gonna slip stitch in here. Okay, and again in that space we're gonna make 1, 2, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 to make the picot, and another 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and another 1, 2, 3, 4 to finish the picot. Okay, so I am at this part here. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip stitch, and slip stitch from the first stitch to make the crown. And again, make 3 double crochet in the same space. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're gonna make another picot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch to the first chain. I'm gonna make another 3 double crochet in the same space. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so take a look. Very beautiful. I'm gonna make another picot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step stitch. And here we go. It's time to make my 4 double crochet all together. Gonna go here. 1, 2 in the first space, and another 2 in the next space. 1, 2. So I have 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over and take all through all of them. Okay, and again I'm gonna repeat. So I finished 3 already. Okay, so I'm gonna complete the rest of the spikes with you just right now, but I guess I explained everything, so I guess I will stop talking and add a little bit of music so you can relax and continue working with me. So we explained it 3 times. I guess it's more than enough for this. This part of the video is pretty long, I know, but I just wanted to explain everything in detail, especially for beginners. It looks really complicated, but actually it's really easy. That's why I was just saying it's a little bit tricky. So as I explain everything, I guess now it's very, very easy for you to do. So I'm gonna complete the rest of that without explaining anything because I just did the job. So I'm gonna come back when I finish the rest and show you another trick. So to do something nice for the Christmas. So let's continue.